Hello, my name is Craig Chung, and today I'm going to present to you my stats project. So, for our stats project, we were given the task to improve the interactions and social experiences of students. So, we chose to focus on messaging apps, which is a tool that we use fairly often to communicate to each other. And our research question is, does face-to-face conversations form stronger connections than virtual conversations using messaging apps such as Facebook Messenger? So with that, we designed our experiment. We asked 32 juniors and seniors that use Facebook Messenger to participate in our experiment. We paired them up with people that they don't know. 8 pairs had conversations face to face, and 8 pairs had conversations using Facebook Messenger. Each pair had 7 minutes to talk, and when they are all done, everyone had 2 minutes to write down as many non obvious facts about the person they just talked to as possible. So here, non-obvious facts will refer to facts that aren't physical, such as appearances. So these facts can be things like personal stories or interest or extracurricular activities. So our hypothesis is that face-to-face conversations will have a much better fact recollection and thus form stronger bonds and stronger connections than virtual conversations. And this is the data that we got from our experiment. So the blue bars are the number of facts that um, each person recalled from talking face to face, while the red bars are the number of facts that each person recalled while talking using Facebook Messenger. As you can see, in general, the blue bars or face to face conversations are much higher than the messenger conversations. And this seems to imply that face to face conversations does have a much better fact recollection that, than conversations using messenger. And to prove that, we did a 2-sample t-test. And using the data that we just showed you, we found that actually there's roughly a 98% chance that face-to-face conversations have a higher fact recollection than virtual conversations. So this means that we have statistically significant evidence that we actually have much better conversations when we talk in person. And based on this finding, I would make 2 recommendations. One is that the school discourages the use of cell phones during brunch and lunch and enforce stricter phone policies, because brunch and lunch is when students tend to talk the most and thus forms the deepest bonds. So if we can get students off their phones during these periods, then students are much more likely to talk to each other and build lasting friendship and have better social life. Another thing that the school can do is have more events during brunch and lunch that would encourage the students to go to these events and stay off their phones and then talk to their friends and thus form better connections. And that is it for